Now, this is a tutorial for the Easy CSV Importer plugin on WordPress. This tutorial covers post adoption by post title. Now here we have the post adoption settings. This is an advanced tab which is provided in the premium edition of Easy CSV Importer. The post settings have, the post adoption settings have a menu and the ability to select what is changed in the post that you adopt. So we can change everything, we can change custom fields and meta only, or we can change post content only. We could provide further options in this area if required. Right now we just sort of have a hint here of really what we can do when we adopt posts. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'll just drop this menu down actually and show you that we do have other methods. We have adoption by post slug, content only, and individual meta values. So we're doing, as I said, post title. I'll just scroll down and save that value. Everything else has been set up. I've set up the post content template and things like that for speed. And what I am going to do is show you the posts that I have. That was a YouTube tab opening there for a video uploading. Now here we have three posts. We have adopt by title 1, adoption by title 2, and adopt by title 3. The second one, adoption by title 2, is a deliberate mistake. It's to show you that the adoption will not go ahead because the title is not a match to the title that I have in my data, and I am going to show you the data in a moment. What I'm also going to show you is the posts themselves and just confirm that no adoption exists, and we confirm that by showing a lack of custom fields, and you will see the custom fields appear shortly to confirm this. Let me just go into adoption by title 2. Now this is the post that won't change at all, and I'm going to go to number 3. If I rename title, the second title, it would work. But that's a deliberate mistake in there. Right, now I'm going to go to import data. If I scroll down, we have a sample of data here, very simple, and this indicates that I have 3 columns. That is all we need for this test. I have the ID column and the title column and description. The only one that matters here just now is the title column. The title column is the value that will be matched to data already in the blog. ECI will do a mass search on all the posts already in my blog to find one that matches that, to find a post that has this precise title. Even if it found more than one post, it would simply match itself. It would match, for example, this row here, first one. It would match that to a single post, even if multiple posts had the title adopt by title 1. That's unlikely to be the case, but I just need to mention it just in case you do have posts in your blog that have duplicate titles and so on. You need to know that when you're adopting, that you're either happy for the plugin to adopt one of many duplicate posts. If that's something you don't want to happen, then you need to consider a different approach to the adopting. Right, now we'll just press escape on there and scroll up, and I'll go ahead and create posts. So there's one created, and that will be adopt by title 1. Just go to that just now, scroll down, and there we have some more custom fields. So that's showing that Easy CSV Importer has found this post and added these custom fields so that the plugin can begin managing this post and take control of it during sort of automatic updating and things like that. Now, next one. I do it one at a time just to show you the full effect in terms of, right, so here we have an adopt by title 2. That's a draft because I've set set the plugin to draft. We have a new post because the adopt by title 2 value as a title did not match any already in the blog. So even though we have an adoption by title 2, there is no precise match, and that is the nature of data. We can't assume things, and certainly can't be a plugin that sort of makes the tie between this top one here and this one here. That would have to be a very, very smart plugin. So that doesn't happen. And for those of you new to data, and this is very important, alright, please back up your blog before you go running post adoption. I need to make that very clear. Back your data up before you make any moves with EasyCSV importer or any importer plugin, because no matter how safe we make them, if you're unsure at all and you're new to this, it's always possible to make mistakes with consequences. Now the next one is post adopt by number 3, and pretty much the same as what happened with adopt by title 1. We don't have a new post, instead ECI adopted an existing post, and there you go, and it's that simple. Alright, the actual process basically now has created a relationship between the rows in my CSV file and the posts already in the blog. So basically from here on, if I change the CSV file and update my data in the actual ECI project, that data can then be applied to the existing posts, and obviously that is the sort of outcome that most people will be seeking, and the reason why you would adopt existing posts. And that is that. Thank you very much for watching.